Have with me my next time. So me want to find. Funny,
Okay. Yes. Yes.
The defendant's counterclaim.
Okay.
My name is Ade Agbabiaka.
Yes.
And with me, my lords, and my lord, and my learned friends, Mr. Abayomi Akinshola. Abayomi, and then Akinshola is spelled without an H. So it's Akinsola.
Very well.
And then Mr. MFA for initials, MFA, and the name is Obale, Obale. Respectfully, we appear for the defendant counterclaimant. Most obliged.
Yes. I hope we are all hearing this.
Well, we are hearing in open court. I'm not sure if the witness is hearing by Zoom.
Okay.
That's what we may need to confirm, but we are hearing.
Yeah, I can. Sorry, I can hear.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So what's the business of the court today?
So the matter was set down for continuation of cross-examination. They've started, this is the second bite at cross-examination by the claimant counsel.
Okay.
And I guess they are ready.
My lord, we confirm that we're ready to continue cross-examination.
Yes. And you know you've already had a bite on the cross-examination, and cross-examination time is limited.
Indeed, my lord.
Okay.
We had a little bite. We will qualify it.
Okay. Please.
My small mouth.
What's his name again? Peter who? Mr. Peter Ibezako.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you know that you're still bound by the oath you took on the last agenda.
Yes, my lord.
Nothing but the truth.
Yes, my lord.
Very well. Continuation of cross-examination of DW1. He's still on oath. Very well.
You're most grateful to my lord. Good morning, Mr. Ibezako.
Good morning.
Very well.
I think it's more of afternoon.
Well, it's in the morning. So that's why I
Okay.
greeted him that way. Make sure you can hear me very clearly.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I was grateful to my lord. Mr. Ibezako, at paragraph 3 of your further witness statement on oath, you informed this honorable court that over the course of your employment, some confidential information belonging to the claimant defendant to counterclaim was divulged to you in the course of your employment as general manager sales. Please confirm this position.
Yeah, that's our working details. That's normal. All our sales information.
Yeah, general manager sales, you were in the position to receive some confidential information belonging to the claimant. Yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Your responsibility for sales and marketing. In your responsibility for sales and marketing, please, would you agree with me that you were in the position to know everything that bordered on the sales and marketing in the company?
Yes.
Yes or no? Thank you. Given your privileged position as general manager sales, you would also agree with me that your fiduciary obligation required that those confidential information released to you over the course of your employment ought to have stayed confidential? Yes or no?
Yes.
And you had no obligation to divulge or use this information for yourself or for the benefit of third parties?
Now that is, you know,
Were you to use them for your benefit or for the benefit of third parties?
all the information were not marked
Yes or no
confidential.
question. Were you to use confidential information for your personal benefit or for third parties?
Of course, confidential information remain confidential. Yes.
Ought to remain confidential. Thank you very much. Before this honorable court, you have admitted running 3 businesses
Yes.
by the name Javanet Internet Cafe,
Yes.
Linux Academy,
Yes.
and Skystar.
Correct.
You have brought their certificates of incorporation, which have been tendered before this honorable court.
Yes.
These businesses, you did not bring their memorandum and articles of association, did you?
Was I?
Yes or no?
Let my lawyer interject.
And besides, the court can look at his records.
Indeed, the court can look at its records. I do not think that there are issues of law. He is the owner of companies and he should know whether he brought. Permit me to finish my statement, Leonard Silk. Please let me land with the submission, please. They are not issues of law if he brought a certain document. It's his case. If I ask him, did you bring a document? He should be able to tell me I brought it. If he did not, he should say I did not. There's nothing there.
You're right.
What I'm saying is that the issues, the documents which are presented to the court are for the court. If it is for address, whatever has been presented is not an issue for cross-examination. So we need to save the time of the court.
I thought she was going to base a further question on those facts. So that's why I leave it. Otherwise, it's before the court, and the court can look at it at any time.
Indeed, my lord. Sadly, counsel and humans can't tell what is in the mind. I was going to the next question because I actually had a status report here that I need to tender. So I want to show that there's something he didn't bring, and I'm trying to bring in something else. If my learned friend will please permit me.
Mary.
Mr. Ebeziako.
Yes, ma'am.
Over the course of your employment with the claimant, did you take part in any activities, that is, disclosure of official communication, or engage without permission in any profit-oriented business?
Profit-oriented businesses were in existence before I joined the organization.
That's not the question. Did you engage during the course of your employment? I didn't ask you.
I was engaging.
You've done that by bringing the certificate. I'm sorry?
These were ongoing concerns. Javanet was ongoing before I took on the assignment, and the company was well aware.
That's not the question. The question is, during your employment, did you engage in any profit-oriented business?
Yes, Javanet was ongoing.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
You mentioned Javanet.
Yes.
And you did not bring the incorporated documents. When I mean incorporated documents, I mean the MEMAT. I have applied for the status report, and unfortunately, I don't know how I'm going to show it to you because you're not here physically, but I guess I can read out what it's on the status report before I seek to tender. Okay. And Javanet is of key interest because you have referenced a co-location agreement that you are familiar with.
Yes.
Yes. In that co-location agreement, you've insisted in your evidence before this court at the last date that you own or you part own Javanet.
Correct.
And that the fact that the company signed a contract with Javanet shows that they were aware that you were a part of Javanet. Am I correct to this point?
That's correct.
All right, fantastic. I have a status report that shows me the directors and shareholders of Javanet Internet Cafe Limited.
Yes.
My lord, this evidence seeks to impeach that evidence that I just relayed, and with kind permission of the court, I seek to tender.
How many pages are there?
There are 2 pages, my lord.
Shall we bring it so that we'll find out?
It's
If you can
certified,
share it.
but because it was online generated, we have also accompanied it with a certificate of identification in compliance with the Evidence Act, my lord.
Okay. So which particular one do you want him to see? Is it this one or this one?
The status report, the CAC document, my lord. The other one is just
Okay.
compliance document.
Mr. Peters,
Yes, my lord.
look at this. Can you see it?
Yeah, it says status report. That's printed in bold.
All right. You are
Yeah.
seeing it clearly.
The other prints are a little bit
A
difficult
little
to
bit.
read.
Okay. Just come closer.
Uh,
Can you read them?
let's say that my lawyer can take a snapshot of it and just send it to me via WhatsApp right now, and I can read it.
Really?
Yeah, he can take a
Of course,
photo of it.
If the court would allow that, I will take it and show you.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay then. Thank you.
yeah, thank you.
Mr. Chair, give it to this council. This is good.
While that is ongoing, my lord, may I please request Exhibit D1
Okay.
so that the registry can help us pull out Exhibit D1 while that is ongoing. I'm very grateful to my lord.
Yes. There's a D1.
Yes, document received now.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Thank you, Leonard, sir. Brilliant. Yeah. Cyber, have you received the second page?
Yes, I have the
Okay.
second page.
Can you please confirm whose name is contained on that document?
The Ebeziako Michael. It's my younger brother.
Your younger brother.
Yes.
Thank you. Please take a look at Exhibit D1.
Sorry, council, have you finished with this?
Yes, my lord.
He just identified it.
I
Is it?
already sought to tender. I do apologize, my lord. I seek to tender the CAC status report and the certificate of identification in evidence. Most grateful to my lord.
Good.
Yeah, already said.
So was there any objection?
My lord, I did not object.
Okay.
I've been cooperating.
So these documents, one is CSC status report for the registration of Javanet Internet Cafe Limited. And another one is a certificate of identification of computer generated evidence pursuant to section 84, sub 4 of the Evidence Act 2011. Both documents are hereby admitted in evidence without any objection and marked exhibits D1 and D2 respectively. Yes.
My lord, we already have D1.
Are these the first?
No, my lord, that's what I was about to mention. We already have up until D7, if I'm correct, if my learned senior can confirm. Okay, the claimant sales and collection spreadsheet for the relevant years of service of the defendant as exhibit D6. Defendant's assets, most grateful. D7 is the last exhibit number, my lord.
Okay, so this one is going to be D8.
Most grateful.
D8 and D9, respectively. Yes.
Mr. Abaziako, the court didn't take you down, so I'm just going to ask it again very quickly. You confirmed that the name on the second page is your brother's.
My immediate younger brother, Michael.
Immediate younger brother.
Yes.
Yes.
Most grateful to my lord. Do you recall who signed the co-location, the equipment co-location and hosting agreement for Javanet? If you don't, it's fine. I have it here.
It's either going to be me or Mike or Michael.
Okay, I will show it to you nevertheless. Okay, no, let me not stress the court. Please confirm, sir. Oh, please, can you repeat what you said? You said it was either you or Mike. You can't recall. And I said I was going to show you. Is that what you said?
No, I don't have anything to show you. So you can confirm. It's either Mike signed it or I signed it.
Very well. I will go ahead to show you. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Leonard Silk. Please confirm that Mike Inkema Konam. Permit me, I'm
Yeah.
Yoruba.
Yeah, that's
Inkema
okay.
Konam is the one who signed on behalf of Javanet.
Correct.
Thank you very much. That is contained in Exhibit D1, my lord. The name I read
Okay.
out to dispense with showing the witness.
Yes. Exhibit what?
D1.
Yes.
Between January 2011, when you started working with the company, and May 2013, when you stopped going to the claimant's premises, did you directly make any sales for the claimant to Eco Hotel? Yes or no?
The record should, if you have the
Not the
sales and
record.
marketing
Please answer
records,
the
it
question.
should
Did
answer.
you
I don't have
directly
any
make any
recollection.
sales?
I mean,
So yes or no?
I don't have any recollection, so I
You don't
can't
have
say
any
yes or
recollection.
no. Yes.
All right, that's fine. How about ITB Nigeria Limited?
I yeah,
You-
we're selling to all manner of corporations.
So you don't recall any,
Eco Hotel is our client. We sub, Eco Atlantic, Eco Hotel, those are all our clients.
confirm
ITB,
they were all legacy clients of the claimant.
those are customers of Hyperia.
Yeah, legacy clients of Hyperia. Thank you very much. My lord, the witness confirms they were all legacy clients of Hyperia.
Yes.
Most grateful to my lord. Can you please tell this honorable court what is the meaning of LAN? LAN.
It could mean a lot of things, but in my
In the
field,
business in which you were doing for the claimant.
in my field, it means local area network.
Thank you very much. Between January 2011,
No, it means local what?
local area network, LAN,
Okay.
local area network.
Yes.
Most grateful to my lord.
Okay.
Between January 2011 and May 2013, did you ever install LAN on behalf of the claimant? Yes or no?
Man, we do all kinds of work.
The company
Land,
did all
WAN,
kinds of work, yes.
yeah, we do
You,
all kinds of work.
Ibeziako, General Manager, Sales and Marketing, did you install LAN over the course of your employment?
I would say possible, yes.
Possibly, but you're not sure.
Yes, it's possible. Because
Okay.
we attend to all kinds of IT
Yeah.
work.
That's okay. Thank you. While you were employed as General Manager, Sales and Marketing at Hyperia, did you ever make any total sales worth 100 million?
The record should
100
speak to
million
that.
naira.
The record should speak to that.
Not the records, Mr. Evans.
All
But
my
you
sales are
for this
recorded.
matter. You're familiar with this matter. You're a party. You were an employee of the company. I still remember what I did in 2013, 2011. I still remember.
Good for you. But when there are plenty, when it's plenty of customers, I can't point out to this one was this. No, I can't. But the documents I submitted should answer to all my transactions and how much they were. I have the sales documents. Just whatever they say there is the truth.
What you adopt. All right, thank you. You have confirmed that. I'm sorry, I don't know if my lord has taken that down.
I'm doing so.
Most grateful. Let me pause.
Yes.
Please confirm that Hyperia was in operation before you joined.
Of course, yes.
Yes. Okay. And Hyperia had legacy clients before you joined.
Of course, there were a few existing customers.
And as general manager sales, you continued the management.
Account management, selling into the base,
Just
and
hold on, the clock is
acquiring new
trying to record the
customers.
previous question. I'll take it again for you. Just a minute.
Yes.
Most grateful. Please confirm that as general manager sales and marketing, you continued maintaining or attending to the orders from legacy clients of Hyperia.
Okay, just let me explain. Because straight
Did
answers
you
will not solve
answer
this.
answer the question? Then you can go ahead to explain. I will allow you.
Yes,
Answer the
yes.
question, then you can
Now
go ahead.
let me explain. You know, when you have existing or what you call legacy customers, these are large customers, and we have to go into those markets and upsell. I don't know if you understand this.
Oh,
We
I
have to
absolutely do.
upsell. We have to upsell, add value, introduce new services to them, and do all the presentations to get the business. That was my job. In addition to acquiring brand new customers, I had to sell into my base to increase revenue for the business because my job was I was a revenue officer. My job was go get money, and you're going to get salary and get commission on the monies you get. That was period. So all I
All
did
right.
was go get money.
All right. Thank you. Let me let the court record that.
Yes.
Over the course of your employment, did you have an official email address and a laptop assigned to you by the claimant?
Yes.
The court did not hear that, please. Can you repeat it?
Yes. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Please confirm to this honorable court that your designated email was peter@hyperia.com.
That sounds correct.
Peter.
At Hyperia, HYPERIA.com.
That is a Clement.
Yes, my lord.
Hyperia.
Dot com.
Okay.
Please confirm that you used these facilities provided to you over the course of your employment by the claimant.
Yes, I used my official email.
Please tell this honorable court. Oh, just a minute.
What was the last thing he said?
He confirms that he used his email and the laptop provided by the claimant during the course of his employment.
Okay. Yes.
Please tell this honorable court if either or all of Javanet, Linux, and Skysa, whether they conducted any business transactions with Midwestern Oil and Gas.
Yes, Skystar did, you know, after I left Hyperia.
No, during
We
your
did.
employment is the question. Did any of those companies conduct business with Midwestern Oil and Gas? Those three companies that we've agreed that you operate.
That's a good question because I got involved in that relationship, you know, after the Hyperia locked me out, and
Well, let's not go to what
no, not to worry. Where are we going with this?
between when you were employed and when you were locked out, according to you?
Let me see. Okay. Let me explain this. There's a possibility
No,
because
hold on. Answer the question first, sir.
I cannot say specifically yes or no, but there is a possibility that SkyStar or any of these companies that I own did a transaction with Midwestern. You know why? The chief commercial officer of Midwestern was a co-owner of SkyStar. He's on the board of SkyStar, the chief commercial officer then of Midwestern Oil and Gas. So there
Please
could have
confirm his
been
name to us.
Blessing Ayemere. Mr.
Okay.
Blessing Ayemere was the chief commercial
Doctor,
officer.
actually, but okay.
He's a doctor now. They
The
call him
doctor
Dr.
now.
Blessing.
Yeah.
Dr. Blessing Ayemere. He's the chief commercial at that time.
Okay. So
And
do
he
you know
was
Omashola Ogbemi?
Mashallah was the IT head at Midwestern Oil and Gas.
And considering that SkyStar was involved in, sorry, let me allow the court record before I blaze on.
Did you call her
Omashola, let me spell, my lord. Omatssola. Ogbemi, Ogbemi.
Was what?
The IT. Can you please say what this person was in
It was
Midwest?
the IT head, the head of IT at Midwestern at the time.
In the same IT business that Hyperia and SkyStar are involved in, the same sector.
JavaNet is IT. Linux Academy
No,
is IT.
I'm not talking of JavaNet.
SkyStar
I'm
is
talking
IT.
of SkyStar and Hyperia. They are in the
SkyStar,
IT space.
yeah, we're all IT.
All IT. Thank you very much.
We're all IT.
Yes.
Please confirm whether JavaNet, Linux, or SkyStar whether they did any business with TBWA concept.
Only records will help me remember this.
B for ball, W for wall, A for apple. TBWA concept.
There is a possibility. These are ongoing concerns, and they go out and look for business. So, there's a possibility that they do business with all kinds of people.
Okay. How about FirstNet?
Again, it's a possibility. Honestly,
I'll
tell you honestly, I do not totally remember, but since it's a business that goes out looking for work, it's possible that whatever customer you see on the list is their customer. Whatever you see on the list. Yeah.
Okay.
There's a possibility.
It's a possibility. Yes, ma'am.
Is that all?
No, my lord. Just about 2 more questions and I'll wrap up. As general manager sales for Hyperia, please confirm whether Midwestern, TBWA, and FirstNet were also clients of Hyperia.
I know that I got Midwestern. My friend was working there, and it's my job to acquire business. So I used the leverage that I had with my friend to get Midwestern to take services. Yes, I used my leverage to get him on.
How about TWA and FirstNet? Do you remember?
FirstNet? I don't know. TBWA. I think I remember that company. I remember that company. I think they're a media company. Yes, I remember TBWA. But FirstNet, I don't really remember. It's possible, but I don't recall them. If they're on the list as customers, then they are customers.
It's okay. All right.
Yes.
Just a minute, my lord. That's all in cross-examination from us, man.
Okay. All right. Raise, okay. Okay, Mr. Peter.
Yes, my lord.
They're done with, okay. How many? Only two parties.
Apply that the witness be discharged.
Yes, they are done with you.
I'm most obliged.
So you are discharged from further appearance.
Well, thank you. Thank you, the Honorable Court. And
we want to listen in to what is happening. And I'm sure your counsel will let you know everything that is happening here.
Yes, yes, my lord. Thank you very much. And it was nice. It's nice seeing you again.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right.
Well, my lord, we have come to the end of the case for the defense and the counterclaim.
So we know what is going to happen. You have 21 days to file and serve your
as the court pleases
final written address.
And
then upon receipt of same, you have 21 days to do the same.
As the court pleases.
And then you have a further 7 days.
As the court pleases.
So 21 days.
7.
49 days.
My lord, can we take a date for in anticipation of, we'll calculate those dates and then take those days and then take a date by which time we would have concluded the time given by the court. 21 days from now will probably take us into June, and then another 21 will take us into August.
That's what she's calculating.
I'm very much obliged. Yes. I'm very much obliged. Yes.
But
so a date in September would do, I guess, because by which time we would have
because of the age of this case.
Yes.
Otherwise, what we usually do is to tell you to hold on, that a date
will be communicated to us.
But
well, my lord, this is a very old case, so
that's what I'm saying.
We are very much obliged. We are very much obliged. We'll take a date. September would look like a feasible date. I think it would have accommodated
September,
21 days. Huh? In September. When do you come back? October. Okay, my lord. I'm told that September is vacation time. So my lord, I think by August, by the end, if the court doesn't go on vacation by August, we would have rounded up the 21/7.
Yes.
Yes, 21 takes us into June. Another 21 takes us into August. My lord, and a few days, 7 days will take us right there. So the middle of August can be fine for adoption.
We are just we just don't want to give you a date when they have not announced the time for a long vacation. I don't know whether it will be July to August or August to September.
Okay. So my lord will play safe then.
Yes.
We can take early October if the court is so minded. By which time at least all vacations would have been concluded.
Yes.
So that
the public
work of the
holidays
judiciary can go on, my lord. We're most obliged.
September. September, October. She said 14 will be very good.
14th of October?
Yes. Okay. How about you? Okay. So this matter is now adjourned to the 15th day of October 2025 for the adoption of the final written addresses of both learned counsel to the parties. Okay.
We are very much obliged.
Thank you. Thank you.